Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In today's video, what I'm going to go over is the latest news with UberEats and the Supreme Court and what that means for us as UberEats drivers. And if you don't want to miss any of my updates, you can click that notification bell so you don't miss anything. Watch to the end so you know what we're in store for.
Supreme Court has ruled that drivers do work for Uber. The tech giant's appeal has been dismissed by the highest court in the land, and it means that drivers should be classed as workers and not third-party independent contractors. Well, it means that they should then get basic employment rights like paid holidays. The judgment is likely to have big implications for tens of thousands of drivers and indeed people working in other gig sectors.
Okay, so yeah, I can only imagine you all are wondering what the heck is going on. So pretty much in 2016, two lads took out a lawsuit and it went to a normal court and it went to the next highest, and now it went to the highest level of court in regards to that, in the dispute that UberEats drivers are workers and not self-employed. And they won it the first time, they won it the second time, and today they even won it the third time in the Supreme Court. So the million-dollar question is, what does that mean for us? So as of today, it necessarily doesn't mean anything for us, because it's not like the court makes the ruling and then tomorrow it's implied. It could take up to 12 months to 18 months for this to fully be put into play. But what does it mean for us as UberEats drivers? It pretty much means that we're going to get paid hourly pay. We're going to get like holiday pay and all the rest of the stuff that normal employees get, and it will not be the same for us how it is now or how it was previously, to where that you can go out and make £20 an hour or £25 an hour. It's not going to probably be like that anymore. I pretty much was looking at my phone today to check my email, to check the inbox on the Uber app, and I didn't receive any messages from Uber about anything yet. This literally just happened. The ruling happened at 9:45 this morning. But this is breaking news, because it's like, what does this mean for UberEats drivers now? Does it mean that this was just for those who were before, that this happened to before? Or does this mean that, it's applied to us who are currently working now, or whatever else? And also, it's a secret to no one that a lot of UberEats drivers are struggling at the moment in regards to like the amount of money that they're making. The boosts are low. People are literally struggling. They're not making ends meet, especially people maybe in higher end places in the country like London. They're maybe struggling paying their bills and their rent and, supplying themselves with food and the likes of these things. So at the moment, it's a very big deal. Like, we're wondering like what's going to happen next. Is this solution of paying us hourly really the solution to fix the problems? Or, you guys can put down in the comments, do you think that Uber was actually wrong in this whole situation? And, pretty much what's next for us? Is this the end of Uber? And how will this affect Deliveroo and Just Eat? Like, this is breaking news. This is big time, So, at this very current moment, it's not being implied upon us, but we don't know the near future. No one knows except Allah. But we don't know the near future what's going to happen with UberEats, if they're going to start launching out this, we're getting paid by hourly and this and that. And what is the hourly pay? Is those happy days of getting £20-30 an hour, £25 an hour, is it over? So, and lastly, I'm going to wrap this up with, I don't want to talk too much, but lastly, what I'm going to say, what my plan is that the reason I joined Uber, Just Eat, and Deliveroo was because the fact that I assumed that I was self-employed, and the thing is like, I don't want to be a worker. Like, I don't want to get paid per hour, and I'm not really interested in the benefits of things. I'm literally doing this for self-employment and the flexibility of being able to pray when I need to pray, check on my family when I need to check on my family, not have to clock in, and, you know, all of the rest of the benefits that come with being self-employed. This is the reason why I do this. So if this happens to be that we are workers and we're not self-employed, I'll be honest with you, I don't know how much longer I'm going to be doing Uber Eats if that's the case. So, you know, it's just all in the air. The question is this the end of Uber Eats and what's in store for us? You know, this is breaking news. This is major. So you guys leave your opinions down in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share this with your friends. And also don't forget to turn on that bell notification. So every time I post, you can get the content straight to your phone or computer or whatever you use to watch me on. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.